Change of breathing. Nose touching. Did you find the drugs? Did you find them? Oh, your body. That's the sniffers. Yes.
The moment woman realizes she did something incredibly stupid from body cam watch.
On June 7, 2023, detectives requested the assistance of a canine officer to conduct an open-air sniff of a vehicle.
All right, you'll go ahead and step out, all right?
One of the occupants was a suspected drug dealer who had been under surveillance prior to the stop.
You can keep all your stuff in the car for me, please. I just can't hear you. What was that? Just your drink, please. Nothing else. Does this not go up? I was trying to help you, but there you go.
Well, that is a tiny back seat. Oh, look at that good-looking dog.
Huh? Hey. Oh, you want a soup? Huh? Oh, okay. Change of breathing. Nose touching. Purge. Body sniffing. Sniff. Come up this chair. Back up. Back up, chair. Back up, chair. Come on, let's go. Good boy, buddy. Good boy, buddy. That's good job. That's good job. Oh, the boy. Did you find the drugs? Did you find them? Oh, your body. Your body. Well, you had such a good sniffers. Oh, that's such a good sniffers. Yes. It is. Like a boy. All right, I'll give you your ball later. Give your ball in a second.
That dog is a crime-stopping hero.
It's a new bubble only. It's only.
Yeah, it's only.
So, you may not know this, but when there's a traffic stop, cops don't have probable cause to search your car for drugs. They can't go inside the car. You have a reasonable expectation of privacy in your car, absent an arrest where the car is being taken in to possession or custody, and therefore they're allowed to do an inventory incident to arrest. However, they do have a right to have a dog sniff around the outside of it. And if the dog hits, now they have probable cause to go inside it. It's not great for this drug dealer, in my opinion.
So y'all smoke?
I don't smoke. I don't have any.
Well, I'm just wondering where my dog might have caught the odor from. That's it.
This is K9 Officer McBride, and people say Nancy sells dope.
What?
Yeah.
Oh, hell no.
She is Nancy's friend. They've been pulled over together. They've had dope in the car together before.
What type of dope?
Here, Devin just lives at the house.
What type of dope?
Meth. Nancy's on her way to court right now for meth.
And you live at the house also?
What? You want to tell me something? I mean, if there's meth in the car and we can get it quick before we all start getting rained on.
That would be fantastic. You look like you're about to cry. Because you know there's something in the car?
They've been hiding on the west side in a nice subdivision. And they didn't realize that somebody was snitching on it.
Do you have something in the car though? Because you're visibly upset. And that would lead me to think that there's something in the car that you're probably going to get in trouble for.
So I am upset with that.
So there's nothing in the car that's going to be upsetting when we find it?
No, there's nothing
Positive.
in the car.
Okay. All right. All right. She is so upset. The chick that was in the back seat.
She's literally going to court.
Yeah, and that's what she was like. Oh, I was like, so you're nervous because that's not something to be nervous over. Being nervous over searching the car is what. Oh, here you go. She has a whole kit. 1, 2, 3 different types of pills. Here's her meth. Here's a bunch of baggies. This is what she was clutching onto this hard. More meth. More meth. She definitely has individual bags.
she knew some decent people. It'd be bad if she flipped.
Heroin?
Hey, would y'all please get into the comments and tell me what's going on with this bicep tattoo? And what is this man or woman like wearing a tux or something? I don't think I understand this one.
All in the same little baggie in the purse. Not gonna lie, when I heard fiat, I was like, eh.
You didn't think
Oh,
it would be anything, huh?
Oh wait, no, that's all no stuff. I just laughed. I was like, okay, should be interesting. But then when y'all called a traffic stop, I was like, well, must be good. Then I pulled up and I saw him. I was like, oh, okay, yep.
We've been watching it, trying to work the house, but every time we got something, they stopped and we're done. You or Jared weren't working.
Yeah,
We're like, we're gonna have to watch the house, but I wasn't working.
yeah.
I can't believe she was bringing that to work.
Yeah. But she probably was going to bring it inside.
So one of the things that was going on when the cops were asking them, am I going to find something? Am I going to find something in there? Is that there's a possibility that the lawyers of these soon-to-be criminal defendants, these people who are basically about to be hauled off to jail, could attack the accuracy and the legality of the drug sniffing by the dog, meaning that they could make an argument that the dog didn't hit on drugs and that there was really no reason for the cops to search the car. If during the interview they say, well, I'm nervous because there's drugs in there, that kind of ruins that potential future argument. Not that it was ambiguous. I mean, I think the dog performed as drug dogs are supposed to, but that's one of the reasons that cops ask. And also, if you can short circuit the entire process by just telling them what bag the drugs are in, that does make it easier for the cops.
That's what, whenever he said that they were going to court, I was like, oh, they might actually like not have anything because of that. But guess not. A lot of cell phones. Here's another meth pipe. This book right here has a bunch of different people's information and addresses, phone numbers. Try to write down DL numbers.
They kind of hit the mother load here for evidence.
So, looks like it even says mother's maiden name, Venmo accounts with phone numbers.
Right, Karen, you're under arrest. Yeah, you don't know anybody. There's nothing that you're going to be able to do to help us.
No,
Let me hold
I
this.
told you.
Yeah.
I told you I can make it. I know right, I know everybody.
Oh, that's funny. When we were up there at the park, you didn't know anybody.
That is so funny. Let me know.
But you're only buying from people in Daytona. We need
No,
to buy
I-
from people here.
But that's
You don't know anybody here. You still have an opportunity to work charges off. You just got to do it later.
I just gotta do it what?
Turn around. Turn around. Take close introduction. You're up.
Yeah, what's that?
Can you leave my phone with Dev? And can you tell him I need him to answer?
The court?
No. That's irrelevant. This
Yeah.
fucks me.
What do you need him to answer?
My husband when he calls.
Okay. You don't want to keep on to it so you could call your husband?
He's in prison.
Oh, okay. All right, let me walk you around to this side. All right, when you get in there, just kick your shoes off, okay? I know, I just gotta go through.
Can't do it in the front. Like I don't have anything.
No, unless there's something going on. But it's literally a 2-minute car ride. You ain't going far. All right, get up.
Broke my back.
Is there anything you want me to get for you out of the car?
My tea by any chance?
Your tea? I can't do tea. You'll have water at the Joe here in a couple minutes.
Well, that was pretty by the book by these cops, and it's a testament to the boldness of the drug dealers that they had all of those drugs and the paraphernalia and all the other evidence in the car with them on their way to court. Wow. What I found really interesting was that one of the cops basically said, hey, look, you got a chance to work this off, meaning if you can give us people higher up the food chain, which is obviously a drug chain, then you might not be going to jail for this. That's my take. If there was something in there that you thought was more interesting, or if you have questions about, get down in the comments, hit me up. If you haven't subscribed to this channel, I don't know, you should. I'll see you real soon because I'll be back.
Big verdict.